Here is an overview of the Data Explorer functionality. It's accessible from the main Data Messenger window here or on the side of the tab here. For this demo, I'll go into full screen. So what is Data Explorer? It's designed to help the non-technical business user navigate their way through the information that is accessible to them through the language model. Often business users know what they want, they know the information they want, but they're not really sure how it's stored in the database. With Data Explorer, you can search for specific terms, so specific unique pieces of data or topics. Most users will start from the topic standpoint. The topic is just higher level concepts as the language model is learning the data that the user can actually access. Here it shows a data preview for online returns. This is the equivalent of a query like all online returns and the information it would pull. It returns only the first 5 rows because it's a preview. The whole point is that the user can see in the context of online returns what's all the information they can ask. Now they can see that they can ask filters around customer name, department, or promotions. They have a lot of access to those pieces. Now they also have the ability to ask in this particular example based upon query suggestions that the system is generating for them. So let's say they wanted to look for average online returns for customer region as an example. It'll type the question that you click into the data messenger, and our system will return the data to the user. Data Explorer is to help onboard not only to the system, but also to help build data literacy. Once users navigate through what's in their system, they'll start to feel comfortable to type and search their own questions. So let's say they're interested by department. Then they can ask for that particular department. Then they may want to add new things into the query, such as specific department focus, as an example. They could do that through filtering of the table, but they can also ask it within here. After the user is finished searching and querying about that specific topic, they may be interested in additional topics, let's say vendors. Again, Data Explorer gets the query suggestions based on vendors, and then at the same time returns all the different information that will be accessible to the user when they're querying. The user also has the ability, let's say if they're interested in certain line evolutions, and they only want to query suggestions based around something like, let's say, California. So California is not a topic, it's a specific term. But as you can see as I'm typing in, it provides some of the terms that are related. California exists in line evolution calling for warehouses, vendor, and store states, but it also belongs to employee and customer state. So it's not only to help the user learn a little bit more about where this particular term is located, but at the same time, if they select the one that they're most interested in, like line evolution as an example for store state, they'll end up clicking on it and they'll be able to see some basic query suggestions. So maybe they want to know the total store stock for California. The user can click on that query and it'll execute and return the information for them. So in the context of total stock for California, they will have all the products, and then again, if they want to investigate further, they can click and drill into more information. They'll then see the information returned to them with a number of rows, and from here, the user can filter their data, continue on asking questions, or export the data for additional analysis. Check out our additional videos to learn more about AutoQL by Chata.ai.